there are 5 crypto investing strategies. You can see the name here. One is your dollar cost averaging, right? Then momentum investing. Second is crypto index investing. Fourth is staking, and fifth is value investing. Okay, so these five are different kinds of crypto investing strategies, right? So let's talk about first dollar cost averaging. This is popularly known as DCA. So in this type of crypto investing strategy, what you do is you invest equal amount of money. Let's say you invest $100 or $1,000 each month, right? It doesn't matter what the market cycle is. You keep investing. It's like your EMI, right? You keep investing. For instance, uh, in Jan 2022, you invested $100. Similarly, in February, you invest $100. So every month you keep investing a similar amount, irrespective of the market cycle. So this is your dollar cost averaging, right? For example, let's see the chart of Bitcoin. You can see here different months. It's Feb, March, April, May, June. You can see the chart patterns going up, down. It doesn't matter. When you do dollar cost averaging, you don't bother where the Bitcoin is moving, either it is moving up or down. You simply you put every month you invest a certain amount, right? So that's your dollar cost averaging. That's the first thing. Second is momentum investing. This is little technical, right? So in momentum investing, what you do is you use trading charts. These are called trading charts, right? So whoever don't know what it is, you simply log on to your um, Google and visit TradingView, and something like this will open. So when you do momentum investing, you use this kind of charts. Let's take example of Doge. So in momentum investing, what you do is you try to catch this kind of movements. Okay, this kind of movements you try to catch, the big movements. For instance, it was from this level to this level. So this is your momentum investing. As the name suggests, momentum, when at that point where it will go more high, so you buy at those points. Okay, so how to find cryptos for momentum investing? So that's a different discussion. I'll make a separate video for that, particularly for momentum investing, right? So this comes under momentum investing. Third is your crypto index investing. uh, Many people, I guess, have heard about this S&P 500, right? So S&P 500 is an index. So what is an index? Index is basically a collection of lot of stocks. That's a stock index. Similarly, we have crypto index, right? I'll give you an example here. Look, this is a crypto index. This is a Nasdaq crypto index, and you can see, always remember, index has many its constituents, right? For example, Nasdaq crypto index has around 10 constituents like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Chainlink, Uniswap, and stuffs like that. What I say is that, let's say you know nothing about cryptos, you know nothing. The best strategy is to just buy index, invest in index, or make an index yourself, right? So this is one of the strategy. Simple passive strategy. You don't need to know anything. You just invest in the index, right? Now we are coming to the fifth, the last one, which sorry, fourth one, staking. So what's staking? Staking is more like dividends. We all have heard about Warren Buffett, right? How he have made lots of lots of money doing value investing and stuffs like that. So in staking, what happens is that, let's say you own Dogecoin, right? So you will stake on some platforms like Celsius or whatever. So on that, those protocols or those platforms give you return. So that is staking, that process. It's little technical. I'll make a separate video of that. And now we are coming to the fifth, value investing. We all know that crypto will be the theme of this decade, 2020 to 2030. It's the theme. So it's better to, means we all know how Bitcoin went from, just let me open it on a weekly chart. We can see how Bitcoin rose from $300 to all up to, you know the rise has been metaphoric or amazing ride. So what I say is, similarly, when you want to find similar coins like Bitcoin that can give you a 10x return, or let's say you want a high return, for that you need to research, and all those things come under value investing. So when you do value investing, you must, you need to be little technical, not that much technical, little technical, and you must read lots of white paper. Okay, there are high chances that till now I mean you haven't read a single white paper. Start with Bitcoin. You can see this is a Bitcoin white paper, right? It's just a 9-page document, that's it, right? So make a habit of reading white papers, so that you can get a feel that what cryptos are, what are its used cases. So when you want to do value investing in crypto, make sure that you start with reading white paper, right? I'll give a link of this white paper in the description, and you can have a look of it. And so yeah, we are coming to end of our this small video where I explained you about different kinds of crypto investing strategies: DCA, momentum, crypto investing, staking, and finally value investing in crypto. And if you want to know more about this, I have attached a website link, article link, so that you can read entirely. You can see top 5 crypto investing strategies, so that you can carefully read each and everything in this article. I have attached it in the given the link in the description. And so yes, I hope you will enjoy this video, and if you have any questions, make sure to comment down, and I'll be happy to respond it. And yeah, one thing is, make sure to see different kind of charts, right? And so here we go. Thank you.